Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the keyboard model and firmware. This matters because profiles differ per device. Open Inplay or the vendor lighting app now and allow any required admin access so changes apply system-wide. Once done, plug the keyboard into the same port you intend to use in-game and quit other lighting apps that might override settings. This first set of steps primes the device and software, ensuring your color changes will write to the keyboard profile rather than getting blocked or ignored. You now select a profile, either an existing game profile or a new one tied to the game name, and choose whether to target full keyboard zones or per key mapping. Pick colors with RGB sliders or enter HEX values for exact matches. This gives repeatable results. Next, set transition styles and brightness so colors remain visible during gameplay but not blinding. If Inplay supports triggers, map colors to game events. This makes the keyboard respond dynamically, which enhances feedback and reduces manual. Save and apply the profile, then test in your game to confirm the color persists while active. If the change doesn't stick, make sure you restart the lighting app and the game, then try reflashing firmware or moving the keyboard to a different USB port because drivers can lock settings. If problems continue, switch to a default lighting profile to see whether the issue is software conflicts or hardware. This one troubleshooting step quickly narrows down whether you need software fixes or a hardware service call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.